Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to dive in a powerful Quotex trading strategy. It has the potential to generate high profits for all levels of traders. So I think I have to start setting the indicators. First I look for Schaff trend cycle. Uh, let's set the period to 9, 24 and 50. Don't change anything, just mm, thicken lines, and that's all. The next indicator is Supertrend. I set the periods to 15 and 2. Here too, let's thicken lines and save them. The next process is to set the candles for 30 seconds, and I set the trading time to 2 minutes. Finally, I have to choose the best currency pairs, the percentage of which is high and must not be overly active currency pairs, because this method is designed for a stable market. And I think everything is set. Let's look for good moments. Friends, those who are interested, the platform registration link will be in the video description. As for the method, it is designed for a downtrend as well as an uptrend, but that's why I set a 2 minute time interval while trading. When the market is bearish and I enter the trade, chances are that the candles will temporarily go up, and I need solid insurance not to not lose money in a short period of time, and that's why I prefer to trade with 2 minutes time interval. Such insurance is more time to log in. This particular method, I think it works out best. That's why I place 30-second candles, and trading time is 2 minutes. I also take into account the fact that no matter what the downward trend is, I definitely look at both indicators. For example, the Schaff trend cycle line should also be in a downward direction in this case. And if it is red, it is considered the best signal. I also take into account the super trend line, which should move in the downward direction, that is along with the Schaff trend cycle signal. The super trend indicator should also give a signal. And in this case, if the trend is downward, I open the position, and everything is going in a perfect way. The first great win. So I also looked for the second moment, and it's a very, very cool moment to open a position. Here too, like the previous moment, there is a downward trend, but here it is a stronger downward trend. At, and all this is shown as the red line of the Schaff trend cycle, which has been going down for a long time. Also, the super trend line has started to move from top to bottom. This means I have two good signals with a downtrend, and I had to open the position in the downward direction, of course. This method is one of the simplest in my methods, and I really like to use to use it in a stable market, because thanks to it, I know when a good moment is to open a position. Also, my friends, I want to caution you. You have to be careful, because there are many, many scammers asking people to invest money in trading, and please don't believe them. Just don't believe anyone who is asking for money. I never ask anyone for money, and I don't manage accounts like anyone else's account is. And what I do is completely free. That's my videos. that I hope they can help many people to develop their trading knowledge. And it's great to finish today's trade with a profit again. I hope you liked today's video and today's method. I wish you all a successful trading day, and I think it's a great time to say goodbye. See you in the next video. Thank you.